Hello and welcome to my video for the Rally Support Truck set number 5580 from the Technic series. I'll show the build of the model and its functions and features. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, then please give a thumbs up, and if you appreciate these types of LEGO videos, then consider subscribing to support my channel. Also, what's your thoughts and memories of the set? Why don't you share them by dropping a comment below and I'll get back to you. So until next time, take care and I'll see you soon.